So this is the new Canon V, as in Victor, 1. So the Canon V1. Despite my other cameras that I have, it's just gotten to a point where I wanted something, was 10-bit, did log, and was portable. No external lenses or changing, like not external, but no changing the lenses. As you can see, this one is just straight up. It's a point and shoot. So I was like, I'm gonna get a point and shoot because I could just throw it in my backpack. I could keep it on me. I could take it wherever. I don't have to worry about extra lenses or the bulkiness. So really, it basically just checked all the boxes. So this is gonna be my first unboxing ever there is. So I'm gonna crack this thing open. Here's your paperwork, of course. So yeah, that's what it's called right there, the PowerShot V1. There you go. So it's a PowerShot, and it's a Canon. Granted, I'm not necessarily a fan of Canon. If I could, I mean, if Sony suddenly dropped something within 6 months to a year, because I had in my hand the the Sony X Z1, as in Zeta or Zulu, Sony Zulu 1 X, I think that's what it was called, something like that. But it just was reminiscent to me of the Sony A7 II in terms of video, and I'm really video oriented than I am photo. I'm down to do photo, but if I could avoid it, I would. So it comes in this bag, like they all do, and then there it is. So from the photos, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, and maybe it is, but I'm glad that it's somewhat smaller than I was expecting, so I'm happy about that. Little protective bag. Here's I guess this is the battery. So there's the battery that you get. Pretty cool. Batteries are cool. I'll put that in there. I probably need to charge it, but I'm sure it has a little bit of juice. You know what I'm saying? So there we go. That's in there. So yeah, you can see it's a Canon. It doesn't show the V1 on there anywhere. But this is the first time me turning it on. Where's the on button? Oh, it's right there. Bam. Oh shoot. No viewfinder. So like it wants me to do the menu. Do English. What's the time? Let's see, what's today? Okay, so it's the 4th. And it's the 9th because yesterday was the 8th. 25. What time is it? Oh shoot. Oh. 5:11. I'm a little annoyed because I was expecting a call from the bank at 4:30 and that call never came through. So, whatever. London. Time zone. Los Angeles. Time difference, sure, okay. Did I do that right? Is that all good? What time is it now? 12. Whatever. Sure. Okay. Well, can we your smartphone? Cancel. Yo, there it is. Yeah, the battery's almost dead. You can see the light blinking right there. But there's that. a little zoom. Nice. So yeah, what is it? It's like 2.8 to 4.5. Well, I mean, the 2.8 is cool. The 4.5 isn't terrible. I would have preferred a little bit better on that, but whatever. I'll take it. How do I set this? Where's the video setting? I gotta figure it out. And then it has this ring. I was like, what is this? Is this a focus ring? Like their lenses, they put these rings on their lenses that's supposed to be customizable or whatever. So, I don't know. But there it is. And then, what is this, like there's your lanyard. And what is this? Oh, the little dead cat. The dead cat, I guess. What is that supposed to go? Oh, I see. So it goes in the hot shoe, and then that hot shoe covers the mic. So there you go. I think that's it. So let's close this up. Bam, there you go. Enjoy.